everyone, this is John from JC Chinese. In this video, we are going to learn 5 new Chinese characters regarding language. They are 语言汉英学. Okay, these are the 5 characters. 语言汉英学. Alright, now follow me please. Okay, the first character we are going to write here is 语. It means language or anything related to language. 语. Pay attention to the tones. 一五 语. Initial is 一, final is 五, and the tone is falling rising tone. 一五语. Going to write it again. Pay attention to the strokes. 语. To write it again. So this is one stroke. One stroke. And this is one stroke. Okay? Yu. One stroke. One stroke. And the horizontal line. Okay, it means language. Next character is 言. It means speech or anything related to speech. 言. Pay attention to the structure of this character. 言. This pinyin is 一安 言. Initial is 一 and the final is an. It's a rising tone. 一安言. And to write it again, you can write it with me. 一安言. This character is relatively easy. Means speech. Okay, next one. 汉. It means Chinese or anything related to Chinese. For example, 汉语. It means Chinese language. Its pinyin is 河岸 Han. The initial is 和 and the final is an. Its tone is falling tone. 河岸 Han. This character is easy too. Han. And its structure is also quite easy. Han. Means Chinese. Next one. 英 means English. 英 or anything related to English. This pinyin is 英 Initial is E and the final is ing. It's a level tone. Ing. Pay attention to the stroke. I'm going to write it slowly. Ing. 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 And it means English. Okay, next one, 学. It means learn. 学, pay attention to the strokes. This pinyin is 西约学. Its initial here is 西 and its final is 约. Its tone is rising tone. 西约学. Going to write it again. You can write it with me. Pay attention to the strokes. One stroke, one stroke, one stroke, one stroke. This is one stroke. And this is one stroke. 学. Xue. Xue. Means study. Okay, those are the 5 characters we just learned. 语, 言, 汉, 英, 学. Now we are going to use those characters to form some phrases. The first phrase is 语言. We combine those characters together is a phrase 语言. It means language. 语言. And if we combine those 2 characters together, 语, 汉. 汉语, it means Chinese. 汉语. If we combine this character and this character here, 英语, it means English. 英语. English. And if we combine those 3 characters together, this character, and this character, 学英语, it means learn English. 学英语. Learn English. The same, if we combine this character, and this character together, 学汉语, it means learn Chinese. Okay, these are the 5 phrases that we formed from those 5 characters. 语言 language, 汉语 Chinese, 英语 English, 学英语 learn English, 学汉语 learn Chinese. Okay, next we are going to learn some sentences. Okay, the first sentence here is 你学英语吗？ Do you learn English? 你学英语吗？学英语 is the phrase we just learned before. 你学英语吗？ Do you learn English? 不，我学汉语。不，我学汉语。No, I learn Chinese. 不 we learned this character in the previous course. 我学汉语。学汉语 is the phrase we just learned before. 你学汉语吗？你学汉语吗？Do you learn Chinese? Do you learn Chinese? 对，我学汉语。Right, I learn Chinese. 对 right, 我学汉语。I learn Chinese. Okay, now let's have a review of today's lesson. In this video, we have learned 5 new characters regarding language. They are 语、言、汉、英、学。语、言、汉、英、学。And the phrases formed by those characters. 语言、汉语、英语、学汉语、学英语。语言、汉语、英语、学汉语、学英语。Okay, let's take a look at the sentences. 你学英语吗？不，我学汉语。你学汉语吗？对，我学汉语。
小王子第1章。当我还只有6岁的时候，在一本描写原始森林的名叫《真实的故事》的书中，看到了一幅精彩的插画，画的是一条蟒蛇正在吞食一只大野兽，页头上就是那幅画的母本。这本书中写道，这些蟒蛇把它们的猎获物不加咀嚼的囫囵吞下，而后就不能再动弹了。它们就在长长的6个月的睡眠中消化这些食物。当时我对丛林中的奇遇想得很多，于是我也用彩色铅笔画出了我的第1幅图画，我的第1号作品《 它是这样的。我把我的这幅杰作拿给大人看，我问他们我画的是不是叫他们害怕，他们回答我说，一顶帽子有什么可怕的？
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe below. Thanks again. 感谢观看。